Hey there. På dansk eller hvad? Okay, det er Christian Hedegaard her fra Orlando, OBT, gaden hvor vi bor og arbejder lige nu. Jeg står her sammen med Junior Jones, som jeg mødte for 1 år siden her på gaden, hvor han var rimelig håbløs og uden nogen fremtid faktisk. Kendte ingen mennesker og var sådan set fuldstændig opgivet og fortabt. Junior, can you tell our people home in Denmark what God has done for you and what is happening and where you at now? Please.
Well, now I'm not homeless anymore. I have my own place and my roof over my head. I got my car back on the road, so that's a good thing, you know. And I got food in my refrigerator. And
you have a refrigerator?
Yeah, of course. If you live in a house, you have a refrigerator. And I don't live under the bridge anymore. Oh yeah, I work full time, 5 days a week. I work in doing home remodeling, which is good. I enjoy that. That's something I enjoy. I'm kind of a handyman, so that's, you know, using my skills, putting it to use. And I enjoy it. And that's about it, you know. And I just want to say, you know, thank you again. Appreciate all the help you've given me. Even helping me get my passport and everything, you know, that's highly appreciated. So I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Så alle jer, der ser det her klip hjemme i Danmark, den her mand, han har siddet i fængsel i mange år, han har handlet med stoffer og for vold og for alle mulige ting. Og han har nu sit eget arbejde, kører rundt i sin egen bil og er faktisk blevet partner, kommer med sin 10. penge for sin løn og afleverer dem til kirken. Det er faktisk en frugt af jeres støtte hjemme i Danmark. Og jeg vil bare sige tak og blive ved med at støtte, fordi snart så har vi ikke 5 eller 10 af de her, så har vi 100 og tusinder af mennesker, som får deres liv forvandlet. Ja, det er Christian Hedegaard en gang mere. Jeg står her sammen med Crystal, som kom ind i vores butik en dag. Hun var kunde her, eller hun snød mig faktisk. Og ja, hun snød mig faktisk ganske alvorligt. Og på en eller anden måde, så er hun blevet hængende faktisk, så er hun en stor hjælp her i butikken. Now, listen to this, Crystal. I told them that you came in the store one day as a customer and you tricked me.
No!
Yeah, you did. And then I said that you actually came back. And you have been such a blessing for us, because that is the truth.
Yes.
Now tell them, please, what's your story? Just short.
Yes, I got items from the Hartford Homeless thrift shop, and they donated me a whole house full of furniture, and I decided to come in and volunteer because I thought it was such a great gesture for someone to give so freely, and I wanted to give back and not just receive. I wanted to give, and I have been volunteering here since November of 2012, and it has been a very enlightening experience, and I love working with the customers, and it also gives me an opportunity to get out of the house. I don't have to sit in the house all day, have something to do, productive.
Is that it?
That's it.
Thank you, girl.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
She's a sweetheart. This girl, I love her. Jeg prøver igen. Det her, det er Christian Hedegaard fra Orlando, Florida. Det her, det er Edward, som jeg har prædiket for på gaden igennem næsten et helt år. Han sad på yderste hjørne, var den første, der kom, og den sidste, der gik til vores gudstjenester. Og en dag så kom han forbi butikken og spurgte, om han kunne hjælpe med, hvis han kunne få et bad. Og han ville ikke have et bad uden at hjælpe med. Så kom han igen og kom igen. Og i dag så er han ansat som vores backstore manager. Og det er stort. Det er hans første job nogensinde i livet. Han er 47 år gammel. Det er hans første job, han nogensinde har haft. Han har siddet i fængsel hele sit liv. Edward, I just told them how you came and asked for a shower and some clothes, and you refused to not work for it, and you came back and you were just like fast helping out, and today you're our backstore manager, and actually the biggest blessing we have here. Please tell the people in Denmark where you come from and what God has done for you.
Hello Denmark, my name is Edward Russell Hill. I came from Canada.
been here in Orlando for about going on 10 years now. It's over 10 years since I've been here. I met Pastor Christian at his feeding about just over a year ago.
Yeah.
Over a year ago. And I just came to the shop here about 3-4 months ago. Yeah, about 3 or 4 months ago, and I was homeless before I came here. And technically, I'm still homeless. I haven't got my own place yet, but I'm working on that, and with Pastor Christian's help, you know, I'll be off the street. He's helping me get my driver's license so I can do some driving for the shop and help out that way.
Is it okay now? Are you ready? Ja, det er så Christian Hedegaard her igen. Det her, det er Wayne, som i dag kom gående ind i butikken, ude fra gaden af. Og han har bare hængt sig her siden. Han bor faktisk her inde i butikken. Og han er bare en kær mand, som arbejder hårdt. Og fortsat en gammel mand, der bare render rundt alene på gaden og forgabt. Hans familie er på stoffer og er ødelagt. Og Wayne, just say something to the people in Denmark, please.
How you doing? We're here in the United States. Hope y'all are doing okay over there. We're here in Orlando with the preacher here with the thrift store. And we're doing all good. And everybody here likes this man and his wife and his family. They're doing real good here.
Yeah, tell them how you came in here and what was your problem.
I came in here homeless and they helped me out and I'm still here. I thank them very much for it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.